Hey guys, what's up? We're on another video of some Cool Dog Gamers 129. I know I haven't posted a video in a very long while. And yes, I know it's been crazy. And even the other guy on this channel haven't been posting videos either. So it's been kind of hard actually, because our channel kind of went downhill. But I'm going to try to bring it up a little bit. So I'll be posting videos a little bit more often. I actually never played this game before. It's Five Nights at Freddy's 1. Hang on.
About the old locations, you know. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but...
What old restaurant?
Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you.
Toy Bonnie, Toy Freddy, and Toy Chica. Okay.
No new system is without its kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions.
Yeah, they're not going to move right now, so I'm just going to turn that off.
Hey, lucky people, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them.
Well, who's this?
We have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system.
Alright.
About robots seeing you as an endoskeleton without a costume on.
I'm scared.
Wanting to stuff you into a suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have a light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Uh-oh. People are already gone. Oh, this is not good. Oh, there's Toy Bonnie. That's great, but wait, is Chica gone or no? Oh, there's Chica and there's Bonnie. Okay. Well, at least Freddy's not gone. I'm just gonna pray that Balloon Boy don't get me. No, my music box, my music box. Oh my god, where'd they go? Alright, Toy Chica's still in there. Freddy didn't move. Balloon Boy's right there. Oh. There's Toy Bonnie. I should have known. I think that's normal. Alright, there's Toy Bonnie still. That's great. Oh my god, no, my music box. Oh my gosh. Wait. Alright, Freddy's not gone. Oh my gosh. Here I come. Freddy's coming. I like how they just thought of that in this game. Like, you can be Freddy. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Like I said, I would like to keep this channel up high and not downhill. And I'll catch you guys on another video. See you guys later. Bye.